In 2010, Aquarion Water Company launched our Environmental Champion Awards program to recognize the tremendous contributions that individuals, businesses, and nonprofits are making to protect and enhance Connecticut's environment. From its inception, the program has honored dozens of environmental champions, with winners ranging from high school students to small nonprofits to multinational corporations. But no matter who the winners have been, the program has succeeded by highlighting their volunteer spirit and environmental commitment, and encouraging even greater involvement and innovation in safeguarding our state's natural resources. This year, the pandemic kept us from conducting our traditional awards ceremony and winner celebration. Nevertheless, Aquarion is delighted to be using this format to present our winners to statewide audiences and shine an even brighter light on their notable accomplishments. And now, to introduce our award winner in the large business category, I'll turn this over to U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal. The senator has a long history and passion for supporting environmental issues. He's a great friend to our environment. Thank you, Senator Blumenthal, for introducing our next winner.
Thank you, Don, and good evening, everyone. I'm so proud and excited to be part of the Aquarion Environmental Champion Awards again. Unfortunately, this year we're doing it virtually, but I look forward to a time when we will gather together again for this supremely important occasion when we honor good stewards and environmental citizens. Aquarion is one of them. And I never tire of telling my colleagues here how Aquarion is helping to preserve open space and water quality and really champion the environmental values that we all hold dear. I'm particularly pleased this year to announce the large business category Environmental Champion Award for Sikorsky. I think of Sikorsky as a member of the Armed Services Committee normally for its tremendous contribution to our national defense as a producer of helicopters and rotary wing aircraft that win battles and save lives in combat. They are absolutely indispensable and vital to our national defense. Sikorsky is also a great environmental leader through its Go Green initiative. It has helped measurably by 16 to 31% reduce water usage and environmental pollution and energy consumption. It is truly an environmental champion. They even have developed a new laser technology for paint removal that minimizes the amount of waste involved in reducing paint from structures and equipment. So I'm going to turn it over to Jeffrey Pimenta, who is the Chief of Assembly and Engineering. He is going to talk to you in more detail about what Sikorsky does, but we all ought to appreciate its tremendous contributions to our environment as recognized by the Environmental Champion Award for large business category. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jeff Pimenta. I am the Chief Engineer of Assembly and Flight Operations Manufacturing Engineering Group at Sikorsky Aircraft. Since 1923, Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, has been producing flight solutions that bring people home everywhere, every time, by providing military and rotor wing aircraft to all 5 branches of the U.S. Armed Forces and commercially operations in 40 nations. Lockheed Martin has a Go Green initiative whose mission is go beyond compliance, ensuring our business practices and facility processes reduce environmental and operational risk and cost. In 2019, Lockheed Martin has reduced total waste by 12%, water usage by 20%, energy consumption by 22%, and carbon emissions by 39%. One major project that has contributed to the reduction in waste is the laser paint removal project completed at Sikorsky. We understood the need to be the leader in reducing environmental waste through technology insertion. Our team developed, implemented a new laser stripping process for paint removal, which utilizes a 500-watt laser system to remove paint from the aircraft. The laser emits a focused high-energy beam, instantly removing paint without compromising the underlying material. It is extremely safe with numerous features to ensure the safety to our environment and our employees. This technology ensures 99% of the paint removed is collected by a HEPA vacuum system, which includes carbon and high-capacity particle filters that reduce hazardous waste down to the volume that can fit into a 3-ounce cup. The prior practice produced a 55-gallon drum of chemical stripper and the associated waste. This laser technology has significantly reduced the impact on the environment of chemical paint stripping by some 67%. I'd like to thank the Sikorsky executive team for funding this technology and embracing the vision we identified for this project. I'd also like to thank Aquarion Water Company for the award and for recognizing environmental advocates across Connecticut. Thank you very much.